Hi guys, Michael from the rugspa.carpetcleaning.com.au. As you can see, I've just finished up an area of carpet for a customer here today. We have quite a few stains in this area. As you can see, there is a bit of a difference, if you can see that. So a lot of these stains we've had to pre-treat along the way. Unfortunately, what we see today more and more often is people will go out and hire a machine from their local store. They will have to purchase chemicals, purchase the machine, generally allow a lot of time, a good half a day perhaps, depending on the areas that you're trying to clean, to provide that service for yourself. It is a hard job. This is something that I do quite often, so I'm used to it, and I can do 5-6 jobs a day generally. You will find after one job, trying to clean your own carpet, you're going to be exhausted. Don't take my word for it, that's what my customers are saying to me. So if you are thinking about hiring a machine, you've got to think about the pitfalls. There are pitfalls. I don't like to rubbish anybody or anything. However, from my experience, I can tell you that generally by the time you hire the machine, pay for that, purchase the chemicals, which you'll always have some left over, it does probably weigh up to about the same price as what we charge. So at the end of the day, the other problem that you could encounter is because you're having to put chemical into that hire machine and then clean the carpet. Generally, what we do is pre-spray the carpet first so that the carpet can, the soil can be suspended whilst it's soaking. And what will happen in that period of time, the stains will loosen so that we can steam clean them out with neutralized water effectively. So if you're going to clean your carpet with one of those machines, you're putting chemical inside the machine and just cleaning the top of the carpet. You're not allowing for the dwell time. So what will happen there, as you're flushing away, or you think you're flushing away dirty water, you are actually leaving 50% of that chemical behind, left onto the fibers. By doing that, you can damage the carpet over time. The carpet will absorb so much of that foamy residue that it will make it very hard to remove again. And then you will be cleaning your carpets on a regular basis, like once a month, as opposed to once a year. We normally recommend in Australia once a year to have your carpets cleaned professionally. I recommend steam cleaning. It is a deeper process. It does take a little bit longer than dry cleaning, but it is a much more thorough, cleaner process than you will ever get. So what will happen is you will actually have to clean your carpets on a monthly basis. Especially if you have a light colored carpet, you will see your carpets getting dirty very, very quickly. And that is an unnatural soiling. And the reason that happens is because there's an unnatural residue in your carpet that will always be there. So by cleaning it professionally with someone like myself, that will ensure that the carpets stay cleaner for longer. Stains will not re-attract soil quickly. You may have over time tried to touch up stains with products, found that it disappeared, but only to find that it comes back within a week or two. So you're sort of chasing your tail all the time trying to remove this stain. By having it cleaned our way, we are flushing all of those residues away and your carpets will stay cleaner longer. If you guys think of anyone who may benefit from these carpet cleaning services that we offer, please share the link below. I'd be happy to have a good chat with you about any of your carpet cleaning problems. So my name is Michael, the rugspa.carpetcleaning.com.au. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.